Everything's running. The gauge is going crazy.
It's Nashville's live and local Kenny Smooth Morning Show. Each weekday morning from 5
Radio's working fine.
Get upside.
Only thing not happening is passenger side window won't go down. The blinker don't work, but the right side blinker works. Windshield wipers work. Work fine. Lights work. Horn works. AC works, heat works, heated seat works. This is going crazy. Park assist off. ABS. Service suspension soon. Engine light. This stays on.
That's RICH. Visit getupside.com for terms.
I'm gonna cut the air off.
I was fine at my desk job.
Cut the radio off. I'm gonna shut the car down. It starts back up. Alright. Same thing. This time I'm gonna take the key out. I'm gonna shut it off. We'll wait 15 seconds. Clock still on. Alright, I'm gonna open the door. Everything goes off. I'm gonna close the door. Now I'm gonna attempt to start this thing up. I'm gonna remove the key. Put the key back in. Nothing. Nothing. I can hold the key like this. Car ain't started, but still, same stuff still happening. This time, look at the gauges. Gas gauge works. Look at the battery gauge. Car still on. I'm just holding the key right now. See if it'll start up. The BCM's been replaced, PCM replaced, alternator replaced, starter replaced, negative post to the battery has been replaced, ignition switch has been replaced, inside fuse box has been replaced, all the fuses in the fuse box have been replaced. I don't know what else to do besides get another BCM.